Welcome back! Today we are excited to introduce SoliSD, our powerful isothermal polymerase that also comes in lyophilization compatible formats. But first, what is isothermal polymerase reaction? There are different techniques on how to do this. However, one popular example is LAMP, or Loop-Mediated Isothermal Amplification. It is a quick and efficient method for DNA-RNA amplification that operates at a constant temperature. Unlike PCR, LAMP doesn't require repeated heating and cooling, which makes the process faster and easier. LAMP works by using specially designed primers that recognize multiple regions on the target DNA. To perform the reaction, you need a special type of polymerase with very strong strand displacement activity. A polymerase such as our SoliSD. The reaction itself is highly sensitive and provides result in just minutes with minimal equipment, often just a simple heat block. This simplicity and speed make LAMP ideal for point-of-care testing, especially in remote areas where resources and specialized training may be limited. However, using this in mobile or point-of-care settings puts strict requirement on the shelf life, stability, and the necessity of speed of reagents. Shelf life and stability issues can be solved by lyophilization, and when it comes to needing fast and accurate results, SoliSD can amplify a wide variety of sample types at a various concentration in less than 20 minutes. For more information about SoliSD, look out for our next video.